Hello and welcome to StoreSmart Manager. This is an how-to video on how to create a project on the StoreSmart platform. The first thing you need to do, since you've already watched our video on how to register, is to create a store. So all you need to do is click on the store button here. When you click on the store button, as you can see, we have a couple of stores already created here and some of them are active. So all you need to do is click on the add new store. When you click on the add new store, this page pops up. So you fill in the necessary information, which is your store name, Ademi store, the country which the store is present in, the state which the store is present in, the city which the store is present in, and the address of the store. So voila, that's how to create a store on the StoreSmart platform. As you can see, the store is already created. Thank you for watching. Do have a blessed day. Bye.